This problem says quadrilateral ABCD is an isosceles trapezoid with EF perpendicular to the bases. AB is 8, AC is 34, EF is 30. We want to determine the perimeter of trapezoid ABCD. Now the thing to remember about an isosceles trapezoid is that these two are the same. And what I'm going to do when I draw this is I'm first going to draw EF over here, because where it's located isn't as important as its length. So let's see, A, B, C, D. We know that AB is 8. AC, if I draw this, this is 34, and AEF is 30. Well, that's the altitude anywhere, so I'm just going to draw the altitude straight down here, and that's also going to be 30. And so what I can do is I can use the Pythagorean Theorem to find this portion of the base. It's not the entire base, but it's a part of it. So 30 squared plus b squared equals 34 squared. So 30 squared is 900 plus b squared equals 34 squared is 1156. So we subtract 900 over to the other side, and we get 256. So that means B has to equal 16. So that's the length from here to here. Now, if I draw down the height over here, that's also 30. Now this portion of the base is equal to this. We call it 8. But we know that from here to here is 16. So that means this is 8. And because this is isosceles, we also know that that is 8. So now the top base is 8, the bottom base is 24. But now we have to figure out what are these lengths here. And fortunately they're the same, so we just have to do this once. So we have 8 squared plus 30 squared equals c squared. 8 squared is 64, 30 squared is 900 equals c squared. So we have 964 equals c squared. And that is not a perfect square. So we're going to have to simplify this as much as possible. So let's see, can we divide this by 4? Yes, we can. And that's 4 times 64. All right. Whoops. Nope, we can't. Sorry, wrong calculation. 964 divided by 4 is 241. There we go. So this simplifies to 2 radical 241. So that's the length of this side here, 2 radical 241, and that's this side here, 2 radical 241. So the question asks, what is the perimeter? So I'll take 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That is 32. And then I'll take these two, 2 radical 241 and 2 radical 241 is 4 radical 241. And 241 is a prime number. You can try dividing by others, but this is as simple as it gets. So there's your answer, and we're done.